Naperville's industry mix creates a real security challenge. Corporate offices, professional services, financial services, healthcare providers, education institutions, and telecom and technology organizations all work in different ways, but they share one problem. Daily work is now the target. As Matt Elias, COO of Outsource Solutions Group, says, that variety gives Naperville Industries a broad cyber risk profile, from fraudulent invoice approvals to locked patient schedules and compromised cloud files. Across the economy, the FBI logged more than $16.6 billion in reported cyber losses in 2024. Cybersecurity cannot sit outside everyday IT operations. It has to protect the approvals, inboxes, cloud files, devices, schedules, records, and handoffs your team depends on. For Naperville businesses, risk can show up as delayed approvals, locked files, missed customer responses, compliance pressure, and downtime. Executive email may face vendor impersonation and targeted phishing. Healthcare teams may face HIPAA risk, ransomware, and patient system disruption. Financial and professional services firms handle sensitive records and deadlines. Manufacturing teams face risk around dispatch, vendor communication, and shipment timing. The practical answer is to connect security controls to the work they protect. That can mean MFA, email filtering, anti-phishing training, endpoint defense, encryption, patching, backup and recovery planning, access control, cloud security reviews, ransomware protection, network monitoring, and lifecycle planning. It also means reviewing risk regularly. Inventory critical systems and data, review identity and access, test recovery before it is needed, schedule recurring IT reviews that connect security priorities to budget, growth plans, compliance needs, and employee productivity. Naperville's industries need cybersecurity that protects daily work, not just devices. Read the full article to see the complete plan, and add this to your Spotify playlist.